Welcome back to the channel. I'm Fix It All Paul, and today on this bright, sunny, perfectly clear sky day, we are out here on the roof, and it is hot. What we're looking at today is roof fasteners. We got a metal roof on here. I don't think it was ever really installed properly. A lot of these are sticking way up above the surface. These screws have a rubber sealing washer on the bottom so that when you tighten them down they seal up so the rain don't get in. And I have one screw over here I already replaced, mostly because it was sticking way up, and you can see water has gotten in there. That screw has got a little bit of rust on it. We don't like that, so I replaced that one. I may replace some others. It's important to have these sealed down tight so that you keep the weather out, and we've got a lot of them here that are not tight. So all we're doing is taking the impact driver with the 1/4-inch bit, the crud off of there, put it down. That went down quite a ways, and we'll go along and do that on most of these that look like they're sticking up, and that'll help keep the weather out. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.